Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really do appreciate it. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe as well. So today's video is just going to be about a kind of routine that I normally do. It's just going to be kind of like my flawless skin routine, really quick as well. So flawless / quick foundation routine or flawless foundation routine, whatever the case may be. But thank you guys so much and stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to go on with is my ultimate favorite. You guys already know, the SmashBox Photo Finish Primarizer. It's a moisturizer and primer in one. It really preps your skin, gives you a beautiful glow, and it keeps that makeup looking fresh all day, baby. Okay, so after that, I'm going to go on with a little like tiny sample I have of the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation. I'm going to use 5.5 just like under my eyes and stuff. I'm not really going to use too much foundation anywhere else today. I'm just going to really keep it light and simple and kind of sort of fresh. After that, I'm going to go on with my BH Cosmetics 116 to kind of just buff this out. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That just to kind of wake my ass up and my under eyes up, I'm gonna take a little bit of the Urban Decay All Nighter and light Nuetral. Oops, can you remember that fish? I really like to take it like from the inner corner of the eye to the nose and out to like just kind of really brighten up the sienna part of my eyes. I'm so tired right now. I got up earlier to do a makeover, so I'm a little like a zombie, but I'm like, you know what, let me get some content out. It's very importante to me to record or try to record at least 2 to 3 videos a week. Hello. Oh, my eye itches. I think my allergies are like getting worse, so I may have to go back to the allergenist or allergist, whatever, allergy doctor, and get those freaking shots again, because I'm so congested, my eyes itch, and I wake up looking like fucking Shrek. Oh, and I'm using that same 116 brush from BH Cosmetics to buff in the concealer. I forgot to say that. After that, I'm going to set and kind of just combine this under eye. I'm going to use a little bit of my MAC Studio Fix powder and C40. After that, I'm going to take a little bit of Jita! After that, I'm going to take a little bit of the MAC bronzer and Refined Golden. After setting my face, kind of warming it up, bronzing it up, kind of highlighting, kind of contouring-ish style, I'm going to take a little bit of my broken Becca Champagne Pop Highlighter on a 204 shape and highlight brush from Sephora. Alright, let me put this down. Bam! After that, I'm gonna do probably what's my favorite step is setting my makeup. I'm gonna use a little bit of the travel size Urban Decay spray just to kind of set that down. It's also important. thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate it, and I love all the support. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. If you have any other video suggestions and ideas, please let me know below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day and an awesome weekend. Enjoy.